Hi, everyone. I recently stayed at Hotel Bluebird in Negombo, Sri Lanka, and I wanted to share my honest experience with you. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly what to expect regarding the rooms, the location, and the overall vibe of this property. First impressions. Upon arriving, you're greeted by a welcoming atmosphere and a lovely garden area. The property feels relaxed and unpretentious, setting a calm tone for your stay in Negombo. Room comfort. The rooms are equipped with essential comforts like air conditioning and tea and coffee makers. You'll find clean linens and your own private bathroom to ensure a restful night. Digital connectivity. For those who need to stay connected, the hotel offers free Wi-Fi in the rooms. It worked smoothly throughout my stay, making it easy to plan my daily excursions. Nearby attractions. The location is quite convenient, with Wellaweediya Beach just 600 meters away. It is also a short trip to the Negombo fish market and the historic Dutch Canal. Local amenities. If you need supplies, there is a Sunshine supermarket just 270 meters from the hotel. There are also several lovely boutiques and jewelers within easy walking distance. Outdoor spaces. I really enjoyed the terrace and the garden area. It's the perfect spot to sit outside, breathe in the fresh air, and just unwind after a day of exploring. Getting around. The hotel is located only 7 kilometers from Bandaranaike International Airport, making it a very practical choice for travelers arriving or departing from the area. Free parking is also available on site. Value for money. With an 8.5 rating from many guests, this 3-star hotel offers a fantastic balance of comfort and price. It feels like a very solid choice for a budget-friendly but high-quality stay. Overall, Hotel Bluebird is a wonderful, reliable option for anyone looking to explore Negombo. It is especially suited for travelers who want easy access to the beach and local markets while enjoying a peaceful atmosphere.